How to get the input from the Tkinter Text Widget? How to get Tkinter input from the text widget? Edit. I asked this question to help others with the same problem, that is the reason why there is no example code. This issue had been troubling me for hours and I used this question to teach others. Please do not rate it as if it was a real question, the answer is the thing that matters.
To get Tkinter input from the text box, you must add a few more attributes to the normal .get function. If we have a text box myText_box, then this is the method for retrieving its input. The first part, 1.0, means that the input should be read from line 1, character 0, EA, the very first character. End is an imported constant which is set to the string end. The end part means to read until the end of the text box is reached. The only issue with this is that it actually adds a new line to our input. So, in order to fix it, we should change end to end 1C. Thanks Brian Oakley. The 1C deletes one character, while 2C would mean delete two characters, and so on.
Here is how I did it with Python 3.5.2. With that, when I typed blah blah in the text widget and pressed the button, whatever I typed got printed out. So I think that is the answer for storing user input from text widget to variable.
To get Tkinter input from the text box in Python 3, the complete student level program used by me is as under. In order to obtain the string in a text widget, one can simply use get method defined for text which accepts 1 to 2 arguments as start and end positions of characters, text_widget_object.getStart, end equals none. If only start is passed and end isn't passed, it returns only the single character position that start. If end is passed as well, it returns all characters in between positions, start and end as string. There are also special strings that are variables to the underlying tk. One of them would be end or tk, end, which represents the variable position of the very last char in the text widget. An example would be to returning all text in the widget with text_widget_object.get1.0 end, or text_widget_object.get1.0 end 1c if you don't want the last new line character. Demo. See below demonstration that selects the characters in between the given positions with sliders.